Hello everyone. Welcome to the dashboard section of the 10xwinners OKR application. You can set up your vision and mission by clicking this Edit button. You can also view the yearly, quarterly, and department statistics in this section. You can minimize and maximize the main menu and the logo as well. Let's see what yearly OKRs are. Yearly OKRs are a type of goal-setting framework individuals or organizations use to set and achieve their objectives for the year. Yearly OKRs help teams and individuals align their efforts toward achieving specific goals and measurable results, providing a clear roadmap for success. Now, let's see what quarterly OKRs are. Quarterly OKRs are a type of goal-setting framework individuals or organizations use to set and achieve their objectives for 3 months. The idea behind quarterly OKRs is to break down a yearly objective into smaller, more manageable chunks, allowing for more focused and agile goal setting. Let's see how to create departments and invite users. Go to Create a new department in the main menu. Choose the department icon. Enter the department name here. Then click on this Create button. Now a new department has been created. Now let's see how to invite users to the department. Go to Manage Organization in the main menu. Then click on Users. Then click this Invite Users button. Now choose the department. Enter the user's email ID here and press the Enter key on your keypad. Also, you can add more departments. Then click on the Send Invites button to invite users. Now users have been invited to the respective departments. Let's see how to enable organization OKR access. Go to Manage Organization in the main menu and click on Users. Then click on the user for whom you want to enable organization OKR access. Now turn on this button. Then click on this Save button. Now this user has been enabled to access organization OKRs. Let's see how to add users to the department. Go to All Departments. Then click on the Manage Department icon of this department. Now click on View Department Members. Then click on this Add Users button. Now search for the user you want to include. Then add this user to the department. Then click on this Close button. Now you can view the added user in this department. Let's see how to set the preferences. Go to Manage Organization in the main menu. Then click on Preferences. Here you can set your organization's time zone, periods, and control settings for sending emails and notifications. In time zone, you can edit and update your country location with time. In periods, you can edit and update your organization's check-in frequency, financial start month, and week start day. In controls, you can edit and update by enabling or disabling OKRs before and after a quarter. Now your preferences have been set. Let's see how to set up the OKRs for your organization. Let's go to Organizational OKRs in the main menu. Before setting up organization OKRs, let's see how to use these two template options. Now, let's see this first option of how to choose the default or available OKR templates. Let's choose this template. Now your chosen template has been added as OKRs for your organization. Now let's try this second option of asking ChatGPT for OKR suggestions. Using this feature, you can generate a few OKR templates by providing some relevant queries in the prompt. Here let's see how to generate them using this feature. Let's type here. Then click on Send. This takes a few seconds. Let's choose this template. Now OKRs have been generated for your organization. Now let's see the third option of how to add OKRs for your organization manually. Click on this button. First, select an objective type. Then enter your objective statement. Here select a due date. Then click on this Save button. Then choose your priority type. Then add the owner. Let's see how to allocate owners and collaborators. Who are the owners? Owners are the individuals or teams who are responsible for setting and achieving the objectives. The owners are typically senior leaders or managers who have a high-level view of the organization's goals and priorities. Owners are also responsible for communicating those objectives to the collaborators and ensuring that everyone understands what they need to do to achieve them. Who are collaborators? Collaborators are the individuals or teams who work with the owners to achieve the objectives. Collaborators are typically employees who have specific expertise or knowledge that is needed to achieve objectives. Collaborators are also responsible for executing those plans and providing regular updates to the owners on progress towards the objectives. Through effective cooperation between owners and collaborators, you can ensure that objectives are realistic and achievable so that progress is being tracked and measured effectively. Now your objective has been added. Similarly, add your key results. Enter your key result statement. Then select the due date. Then click this Save button. Choose the priority type. Then add the owner. Then set the metrics. Let's see what is a default metric. A default metric is a standard metric that is used to measure progress toward achieving an objective. It is a predetermined and agreed upon metric that provides clarity and focus on what needs to be measured and tracked. Let's see what is a custom metric. A custom metric is a metric that is specific to a particular objective or key result. Unlike a default metric, which is a standard metric used across the organization, a custom metric is tailored to the unique needs and circumstances of a specific objective or key result. Now set your metrics. Then click Save. Now your key result has been added. Similarly, you can add your Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 KRs. What are these? Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 refers to the 4 quarters of a fiscal year, and each quarter typically has its own set of OKRs. Q1 OKRs are typically focused on setting the direction and priorities for the year ahead. These might include objectives such as increasing revenue or market share, launching new products or services, or improving customer satisfaction. Q2 OKRs often focus on implementing specific projects or initiatives that will help achieve the Q1 objectives. For example, a company might set a goal of launching a new marketing campaign to increase sales. Q3 OKRs are often used to assess progress towards the Q1 objectives and adjust course if necessary. This might involve monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, such as revenue growth or customer satisfaction scores. Q4 OKRs are typically focused on finishing the year strong and achieving any remaining objectives. This might include implementing last-minute initiatives or making strategic investments to set the company up for success in the coming year. Why are they required? Having Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 OKRs helps to provide structure and focus for an organization's goals and ensures that progress is being made toward achieving those goals. By breaking down the year into quarters and setting specific objectives for each quarter, organizations can stay agile and adapt to changing circumstances while keeping their eye on the overall goal. Let's see how to create department or team OKRs. Go to all departments in the main menu. Then click on this button. Then choose the suitable icon for the department. Enter the department name here. Then click this button. A new department has been created. Now you can add OKRs for this newly created department similar to adding organizational OKRs. Let's see how to link department OKRs with organization OKRs. Go to the All Departments section in the main menu. Then tap on the department tab you want to link with. Here you can view the OKRs assigned to this department. Now click on the Actions icon available at the end of every OKR. Then tap on Edit. Now this edit window opens immediately. Then click on this Select Parent Goal to link this department objective with organization's objective. Then select an organizational objective to link with. Then click this Apply button. Now a department's objective has been linked with this organization's objective. Then click this Save button. Now the linking of OKRs is done for the department. Let's see what are check-ins. Check-ins are weekly periodic reviews of advancement made from the goals of organizations, departments, and individuals. Generally, they are focused, informative, actionable, and short. Check-ins offer you an opportunity to have one-on-one discussions in all OKR subjects with your owners and teams regarding what is required immediately, what went well, what went wrong, what difficulties they are facing, and many more. Now let's see what is week selections. A weekly check-in is a one-on-one meeting with a member of your team in which you discuss their work in the last week, their planned work for the week ahead, and questions or concerns you or the staff member have. Weekly OKR check-ins ensure alignment and transparency within the team while keeping everyone super focused on the high-priority tasks for the week ahead. It allows the team to course correct as soon as possible and solve risks or challenges while they are still small. Now let's see how to add organization questions. Go to Manage Organization in this main menu. Then click on Manage Check-ins. Then click this button to add organization question. Here enter any question you want to ask your organization. Then choose any option for how often do you want to ask. Then click on this Save. Now a question has been added for your organization. Also, you can enable or disable or delete this question. Similarly, you can add more organization questions by this method. Now let's see how to create custom department questions. Go to All Departments in the main menu. Click on this three-dotted icon of this department. Then click on Manage this department question. Then click this button to add department question. Here enter any question you want to ask your department. Then choose any option for how often do you want to ask. Then click on Save. Now a question has been added for your department. Also, you can enable or disable or delete this question as well. Similarly, you can add more department questions by this method. Now let's see what is in my check-in section. Here you can see organization questions, department questions, or all questions. In all, you can view both the organization and department questions. In this How Are We Tracking Towards Our OKRs section, you can view My OKRs and All OKRs. Let's see how you can track your key results. To view the KR ratings and to place comments, go to any key result tab of your organization OKRs or department OKRs. Then tap on this key result. Then go to the All Ratings section in this window. Here you can view the quarters for KRs that are marked in red, orange, and green. Ratings marked in red are at risk, ratings marked in orange have some issues, and ratings marked in green are on track. For quarters having risks, you must comment below. For quarters that have issues, you can comment optionally. For quarters on track, it's not necessary to comment. When relevant answers and KRs tracking are assigned for your organization and departments, tap on Publish Check-ins to finally publish your current week's check-ins. Now, you can view your published check-ins for the current week. Note, if there are no questions and no tracking of KRs for the members in a particular week, it's mentioned as missed check-ins. Note, to manage organization questions, refer Manage Check-ins option in Manage Organization Settings. Note, to edit your organization's check-in frequency, go to the Preferences option in Manage Organization Settings. Then edit the Period section to choose organization check-in frequency as weekly or bi-weekly.